Welcome here. We are 38 weeks preggers and we are packing our hospital bag. Now, let's be honest, I for sure had this packed already for like 2 weeks. That's a lie. I actually have just finished in the last few days putting all the final touches together, but I have unpacked it all and we're gonna repack it so that it's organized and ready to go for whenever baby girl is ready to go. So I think first things first, I'm gonna show you the bag. I found this at TJ Maxx. I'm obsessed with it. This is like the perfect duffel, and I figure this material and with garbage, with how much space and like, I have a lot of duffels, but none that like fit so much stuff in such a small amount of space. I love it, and I think it'll be easy to clean. So this is it's Cynthia Rowley is the brand. They're currently at TJ Maxx, so they had them in a bunch of different colors, but I thought this was so cute. And this is gonna be her like overnight bag for when we travel. So I think that's perfect. So I'm just gonna kind of pack it as I go, I guess. Okay, let's start with what I'm packing for myself. Starting with a fan, because I get freaking hot. And this, I put like 6 of these on my registry, and honestly, I'm just gonna strap it on the bed or wherever and just walk around with it. I know they have ones that like spray water, but that seems like a little bit extra for me, but I'm extra, so maybe I should have gotten it. I don't know if this is necessary, but I feel like some people do bring, based on the amount of freaking water I drink, I would bring this one, but it doesn't close well. But I'm gonna bring my Hydro Flask, I guess, just to have cold water. We'll see if I actually end up using it, but it doesn't hurt to always just throw a water bottle in there just to be safe. Next we have shower shoes. These are cheapy ones from Old Navy that I will probably throw out when I leave. That's just for the disgusting shower. It might not be disgusting, but you know, shared showers are gross in general. So I think I will be throwing these out upon being done at the hospital. For shower essentials, because I know that shower is supposed to be the best freaking thing of life. The hospital towels can be apparently tiny, so I'm gonna bring one for myself. On that note, let's do toiletries. Also got this freaking cute thing at TJ Maxx, and I got this like TikTok hack. I want to say it was Bethany Frankel, to be honest, but like how she organizes this, that it fits so much stuff. So I'll just do a quick little rundown of what's in here. Okay, I think this is a highly underrated product, and if I'm correct, and the hospital is incredibly dry air, I'm bringing saline mist because I hate when my nose is dry. So I'm just bringing this Zars Bees Natural Soothing Saline Nasal Mist for myself. Like, just to, this is actually a baby one, so honestly, for infants, this is gonna be great for her too. But, so I just have like a little shampoo, body wash, toothbrush, toothpaste, hairbrush, because I know that I'm gonna need that. I'm gonna take a shower, I'm gonna wash my hair because I get disgusting. My little skincare kit, because if you know me, I do skincare. I'm obsessed with skincare. So like, my mom's laughing at me. She's like, you're not gonna do your skincare and makeup. Watch me. I'm gonna do it, because if I'm trying to stay calm, and it's just gonna bring me peace. And honestly, if I don't use it while I'm laboring, I will definitely use it after the fact. So I just have a quick little wipe, a facial mist, a moisturizer, a face wash, Summer Fridays, a jet lag mask, and I have a couple of sheet masks in there. That might be extra, but it could just take my mind off laboring. So, okay, then I have the Earth Mama nipple butter. Honestly, I don't know if, I highly doubt my milk will come in and whatever colostrum, whether I actually use this as a nipple butter, but I'm gonna just use it as my lip balm, because this is like the organic nipple balm is like makes pumping more comfy, moisturizes nipples, lips, butt, nipples, lips, cheeks, heels. So I'm just gonna use this as an overall wherever I'm dry lip balm type situation. Then I have just a small little makeup kit. I'll probably be wearing makeup beforehand, who knows, but all I brought was some brow gel, a concealer and mascara, and a little primer moisturizer in there. So nothing crazy, just to, you know, for photos after, just to have a little zhuzh. My prenatals and a hair tie, an extra one, probably have my hair up, and then one of these headbands because I know my baby hairs are gonna piss me off. So we're putting that in there. So we've got the hair stuff. I'm not even bothering bringing dry shampoo because I'm just gonna wash my hair. My hair will be far past dry shampoo. I just know this. Okay, next I'm bringing just this robe. Honestly, this is one I did not buy special. This was my self-tanning robe, so I feel like if it gets destroyed, I will just chuck it or leave it, whatever. So it's just a black short robe for after I give birth to just have them easy access. I probably will just be in whatever underwear diaper situation and a bra and this until I take a shower and get situated into the room where I can recover or whatever. I don't know. This is my first time doing this. I don't know where they're gonna move me, but I know that's what I'll be in. And then after that, I just have a PJ set off Amazon. It's like the Stars Above brand, soft, super soft shorts. I get hot, so I went with the shorts and button shirt situation. Just again, easy access to the girls. Socks, compression socks. Whether I use them or not, they say that like you will probably swell up after, so I might labor in these. I might give birth in these or just immediately put them on after if I can handle myself with these. My husband will have to help me put these on. Compression socks, and then I have just 2 grippy ankle socks. So these are like Pilates socks because you have to have grippies on your socks, and I'm not bringing slippers. So I will, if I wear my compression socks, I'll just put these over top and have that as my slipper. And then whether I actually use this, again, grippies, little fuzzy ankle socks for a little bit of warmth. Again, hospitals are supposedly cold, but I hate socks on my feet when I'm hot, so I don't enjoy that. Also with that postpartum situation, I brought 2 diapers. These are just the Depends brand, because whether I will like the hospital shorts that they give me with the whole pad situation, I hate pads. So if I have to do it for the first night that I'm there and I'm hoping to just be there one night, easy in and out, then I'll do it. But going home, I'll probably just throw on a diaper, make it easy. And then just a couple of plastic bags. Again, I think this is an underrated thing to do. Bring, or a laundry bag or whatever, to just keep your ish separate from, you know, whatever you want to take home that you're not going to throw out that gets disgusting. Put it in the bag, keep it separate. I am bringing this waist, not a waist trainer. I have a great waist trainer from BUMPSUIT, but I will probably not commit to that in the hospital. Again, I'm hoping to just be there for one day. But this is more like a waist belt, just in case I feel like I am really loose. It's clearly a big one that I can tighten as much or as little as I need, so I won't feel like it's too much. I know some people are like, you're not gonna want that after delivery, but I know myself, I hate feeling loose in my core, so, and I've been really like doing exercises, so I don't want to feel that loosey-goosey feeling, so I'm just bringing that. As far as my going home outfit, I guess this is the hanging out, well, this will be part of the going home outfit, but I'm bringing 1 nursing bra. This is the BUMPSUIT deliciously soft nursing bra. I'm just bringing 1. I'm not bringing a pumping bra. This is just gonna be what it's gonna be. So that's the one I'm bringing, and that's the bra I'll probably wear home unless it gets disgusting. Oh, maybe I should bring 2. Maybe I'll bring 2 for good measure, just in case it gets nasty. But as far as my going home outfit goes, I've feel like I put so much pressure on this, and I thought I was gonna do a dress, but again, people say like, in the diaper, you feel loose, you just wanna be supported. So I have 2 shorts options. Again, I'm in Florida, so shorts are the way to go. This is the Blanqui Support Compression. We'll see if I want that, but they fit me now, not uncomfortably, and they're like really nice, like stretchy, silky material. Or I have the BUMPSUIT shorts that I've been wearing a lot during the pregnancy. This is a little bit less support, but more of that soft feel. So we'll see which one I feel like wearing. And as far as the shirt goes, I'm just going in like just a plain padded, because I don't think I'll need to nurse on the way home. And if I do, I'll just take my shirt off. So maybe I'll bring a button down also. I'll probably bring a button down. This is the Freedom Mom Peri bottle, because the ones they give at the hospital don't squirt up. So this is the Peri bottle, and that's that on that. Peri bottle. Everybody talks about it. It's a necessity. Okay, that's kind of it for me. Now for the baby, this is literally all I'm taking. This has a swaddle that complements her going home outfit. I would show it to you, but it has her name on it, so we're not gonna do that. But so it's just a going home outfit in a 0 to 3. I have a backup. I can show the backup one because it doesn't have her name on it. In the newborn size, because I didn't realize I ordered the one with her name in 0 to 3, which I'm a little bit upset about. But I have a little hat with her name on it, so I won't show you, but it has the name. So it's really freaking cute. Then this is the little newborn size going home outfit. This is the E=MC magnetic ones, so that'll be super easy. But again, I'll probably take her photo in the one that says her name on it, and she can go home in this. But I'm not bringing any extra onesies, sleepers. I'll just have her swaddled in the hospital. I am bringing baby nail clippers because they say that they can be born with short, sharp nails, and I'm not doing mittens, so I might just have the nurse clip it. I have a little emery board and the nail file. So have a couple of pacifiers in case on the drive home, because we do have like a 40-minute drive that she needs to be soothed, but again, that's just a backup. And then, I'm not showing you this, but this is the plaque with their name on it to put the date, like her announcement photo plaque. So really great, and I got a gold marker for that. So that's kind of all I'm bringing for her. It fits in this tiny little thing. I just will use the hospital's diapers and swaddles while she's there, and then transition over to what we have for her, because I don't want to overpack. Like, my doctor's like, we have, literally, if you had to give birth today, we have everything you need. So it's more like comfort. So I don't consider that essential, and this way she just kind of has her going home outfit. And I am bringing the white noise machine because I hear that's really helpful while in the hospital and for the car ride home. So it's just a little portable one, which will be super convenient. And then with the like miscellaneous stuff, all of my cords and charging packs, some gum. I have my vlogging camera I'm gonna take. I'm also gonna take my bigger DSLR camera to take some photos, and I might actually take my tripod stand so that I can set it to film, I guess. We'll see. But yeah, a couple of 10-foot cables. These ones are great. They came in a 3-pack on Amazon, and they were super cheap, and they are they're 10 feet long. Like, you don't need longer than that. I got this folder for her. This is just kind of gonna be the baby folder for the future. So I have like prenatal, hospital papers, and pediatrician, just so everything's kind of together. It's super cute and pink, and just has all the paperwork in one place for now. My birth plan will go in there and all that. And snacks, because candy. So this is basically some healthy, like some granola minis, some Reese's, a couple of like Smart Sweets, lollipops, some hard candies to stuff on, and then some licorice and a peanut butter chocolate trail mix, just to snack on in case everything happens in the middle of the night, which it usually does. This way we can snack on something until I can get a proper meal in, and maybe we'll bring some chips. But again, I'll probably pack this with all my cords, my Kindle, my iPad, just in my purse with me and not put it in this bag. So I'll have the purse and this bag, but like, that's it. It fit all right in there. I would call that a minimalistic hospital bag. Oh, and I'm gonna bring my boppy, I think. We'll see. I don't know that that's an essential, but if this video comes out before I give birth, let me know if it is an essential. So I hope this helps some of you, and I'll probably do a return video to see what I actually used. But I think I'd say this is pretty good and basic and minimalistic. So I'm hoping that I don't need anything else and that I'll be good and ready to go when baby girl is here. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more content, and we'll see you guys next time. All right, bye.